Hi, I'm Jess Korzeniowska and I'm from Milton Keynes in the UK. I'm a trainer and consultant with Scarecrow Consultants. I go around the UK and Europe training people in model-based systems engineering and traditional systems engineering methods. Adventures in Systems Engineering is a fantasy adventure through the whole engineering lifecycle, and it takes students all the way from the very beginning of projects, finding out what their stakeholder needs, all the way through to defining requirements, the context for the system, looking at interfaces, how systems engineering is used in design, finally onto test and verification methods and decommissioning, told all through fantasy adventure on magical quest through an enchanted valley. I would recommend Adventures in Systems Engineering to anybody, all ages, all backgrounds, those who want to get an overall view of the whole engineering lifecycle told through systems engineering and the relevant activities, whether you're somebody with a technical background or no technical background at all. Adventures is an exciting and relevant course for you.